I've had problems in the past with a YouTube video that I uploaded. This was a vlog that I uploaded where I deliberately reached out to the artist of the song. And I was like, hey, can I really like this song. Can I use it in one of my videos? And they gave me written permission for me to go ahead and use that song in a video of mine. The video got flagged by YouTube as containing copyrighted music. So I countered it by saying, hey, I have written permission over here by the artist of the song. It turns out the artist of the song only held about 50% of their own licensing rights, because a big chunk of the licensing rights was owned by whoever, like the producer and the publisher and all that was. So even though I had written permission of the artist, I could still not use it in my in my video because I didn't have 100. It's a fucking mess, dude. Like, you try to do the right thing. You go to the person that you'd imagine owns the whole thing. And then it turns out they don't even own the... Yeah. Bit of a meme. This was years ago, though. I need a smaller brush to get in the in-between area there. Let me see. YouTube is actually kind of chill, though. Like, if you reach out to partner support these days, there's like a button in my YouTube dashboard that allows me to directly reach out to partner support. I rarely have to do so, but it's actually pretty quick. Like, you're actually, this is crazy, okay? Let me guide you through the process. You click the button in your dashboard to talk to YouTube customer support, and within about usually 2 minutes, you're talking to an actual human. Yes. Not an automated bullshit system or anything along those lines. It seems to be a 24/7 thing, and there's just a fucking human to talk to. Wait, what happened? Oh, did it do the glitch again? Ah, fuck, dude. Why is it doing that sometimes? Sorry. I don't know why it does that, guys. I think it's because my microphone is too close to my mouth. That's my current working theory. But I don't really know. Sorry about that. Close your mouth. No. If I wouldn't talk, then this wouldn't be an issue, I guess. Did Twitter do a thing again? Classic Twitter, eh, at this point. You can't opt out of the AI training on Twitter now? Oh. That sounds fun. I don't really see how Blue Sky is an alternative, though. Same for, like, threats and all that. It only works if everybody moves over, right? So it's just, yeah. It's an alternative for artists at least. Yeah, but the problem you run into is that the general public is not there, right? So like, it's so tricky because you kind of need the general public to move over. And unless everybody moves over, then nobody's really moving over. I don't know. It's kind of a difficult thing. I think, yeah, I'm gonna paint this little section too. You know some artists that have moved over to Blue Sky? Blue Sky was like invite only, right? Or is it not anymore? No longer invite only, okay. Pretty much all the artists you moved, okay, cool. So maybe the anime world can actually get this like started, that's cool. Yo,
Chat,
Draco.
can I remind you to use your Twitch Prime like I just did?
Draco, setting an example for the people. Thank you very much, dude. Guys, if you want to be cool like Draco, now I know you're thinking, Lowko, I can't be possibly as cool as Draco. Right, but if you want to be one step closer to being as cool as Draco, you can also become a subscriber of the stream.
Okay.
Huge! Thank you, Red Hyena. Honestly, guys, anything you post on the internet, including Twitch chat, anything you post on the internet is probably being trained on by AI at this point. Moving over to another platform is not really going to change that much. It's kind of shitty, but it is what it is. Even if it wouldn't be illegal, or even if it would be illegal, it would still happen. An illusion of control is nice. Fair. You can't really stop AI, huh? That's the thing, like even if it's like banned by the government or whatever, it would still be legal with another government. Oh yeah, Twitter is definitely a shell of what it used to be. Yeah, I think not developing AI is also kind of dumb. If you want a robot girlfriend, anime, yeah. If you exactly, like AI is most likely to be part of that at some point. If you want to purchase an anime waifu, yeah, it's scary. Hey chat, what do you think we can get Lowko to try Phasmophobia for Halloween? I haven't yet decided on what Halloween game I will play, Grimdy. But I do want to play something scary. I kind of thought that like Silent Hill already counted, but I have been repeatedly reminded that apparently me playing Silent Hill does not really count. That is just a bonus game, apparently. I've never actually celebrated Halloween in the Netherlands. It is not really a thing over here. They're really trying to make it a thing. If you go to any store right now, they're always selling some sort of Halloween-related thing. But Halloween was never celebrated when I was a kid. I know there are some kids over here that like celebrate Saint Martin, Saint Martin, which I think is like I don't know when that is actually. Anyways, kind of similar time period. Do we have Zwarte Piet? We do still have Zwarte Piet, absolutely. Very debated subject though. I haven't really heard a lot of political rumblings about that yet, but I'm sure it'll be coming back at some point, yeah. Yeah, I guess it's just generally Pete now. I think maybe we're kind of done with it. That would be nice. Yeah, no, it's definitely not a good thing. There's a lot of people that feel very strongly in favor of Zwarte Piet though, which is something. Basically, there's this Dutch holiday called Sinterklaas. And it has a couple of very, how do you say this? Old school beliefs. And a lot of people are saying it's not rooted in racism, and then there's a lot of people that are saying it's rooted in whatever, right? Anyways. Looks like we may finally be done with that shit, because that is, it was like a political subject every year around this time. Yeah. There is no way to explain Zwarte Piet to people that are unfamiliar with it that would not sound racist. There is no way to explain it that would not make it sound racist. The majority of the defense of people that are strongly in favor of it seems to be like, it's a tradition. Oh, really, Shiny? Do you have any examples? If you can't, that's okay. I'm curious in hearing some of it, though. In that case, maybe it's just racist? I know, Draco. Crazy, right? But also for folks to have such strong opinions on something that is a children's holiday is fucking nutty. People that make it their entire identity, you know? To somehow have like one political opinion and then they have to like do this all fucking year round. There were literal political parties started specifically to keep Zwarte Piet as part of the holiday. And people vote for those guys. These are like single issue parties that don't really contribute anything other than say, hey, we need to keep this one thing as we've always done it, and that's it. It's so lame. Gendered occupation in Dutch language. You can't write any female version of an occupation. Oh, interesting. Okay. Really? So how about occupations that literally have the word man in the occupation name? How does that work? How do you go around that? Politieman is incorrect. You got to use politieagent. Ah, okay, I see. Brandweerman would be brandweermedewerker? Okay, I don't like that. That sounds stupid in my head, but if that's the, yeah. I feel like the Netherlands is a little bit behind with some of those things. Stuff that other countries have dealt with a long time ago, or, you know, obviously are still dealing with, but there's a lot of language. Where it feels like the Netherlands can be a little bit behind, especially American English. Okay. You do have to be subscribed to look at my hands, Nizo. I'm sorry, dude. You didn't know. Look away, non-subs. Okay, just a nice solid coat of black over all of this. We will weather and highlight all of this. We can kind of block it in though. Okay. Let's go on. Penter Goklegl. Bro, how am I supposed to read your name? P-N-T-E-R-A Guy Sickle. I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but welcome. Geisicles? Is that it? Welcome to the stream. Yes, Pantera in the head, or in the nickname. Must be a metalhead. There you go. You have a panther on your back? I'm assuming a tattoo, right? It's like, no, Lowko. I have a cloak made out of panther fur. Panther's tramp stamp? Ooh. Spicy. A real one would be heavy. Well, maybe you're really strong. Twitch chatters are known for their real strength. Brutal strength is a common feature in a Twitch chatter. Fun fact. I think I'm gonna paint one of these protecting things as well. Yeah, this one's kind of ugly. The elbow pad. I'm gonna paint this one black as well. Or not. Yeah, we'll paint it. Hard to go back when you start blocking in the color, I guess. This is pretty, yeah. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me, and forevermore. I like to share. You've been a viewer for years. Nice. Did you have a different username at some point in the chat, or am I crazy? We had something with Panther in the username for a long time. Maybe the capitalization or something is a bit different. It was slightly different. Imagine changing your usernames, right, Ramble? You would never do that. When are you gonna start painting Titans and Knights? I mean, this is as close to a Titan as I've ever painted. We're not quite there yet. Okay, so your original nickname actually had Pantera in it. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that makes it a lot more pronounceable for somebody who's trying to read it. But no worries, no worries. The Adeptus Titanicus Titans are very cool. I don't know exactly which one that is. I don't want to bother with anything resin though. There's too many cool plastic miniatures to paint. Resin these nuts. Exactly. That's how I feel about it too. Oh, they are plastic? Okay. I'm definitely gonna fuck up, by the way, on some of the green and some of the black at some point in the future. When I get to the metallics, because some of the metallics are pretty deep down into the machinery. I'm gonna try and not accidentally paint over the greens and stuff, but I think it's fair to assume I will. Okay, so anything else that we should make black? So we got both of the shoulder pads black. This one is gonna go over here, kind of like so. And then the other one is gonna go on the right. Any other parts that we should make black, you think? I'm open to suggestions, Chad. If you have anything that you're looking at and you're like, you know what? I think it would look cool if you made that black as well. The little square on the groin. We are obviously gonna do some of the, we're gonna do a lot of detail work on a lot of those things. But for now, no, I think I'm gonna keep that one black. There's gonna be a lot of metallics on this. His face? Nah, the face is gonna stay green. You know what should be painted black? A red door? Ayy. I see a red door and I want to paint it black. We could make these like exhaust things over here on the back black as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Oh, I can definitely lower the music a bit. I booped it up a little bit earlier. I think I'm gonna make these shoulder pads over here on the back black. It's not really a shoulder pad, whatever this is. This. The decision is made, chat. Well, 3D printing Games Workshop models, since they are not selling any of the 3D prints, basically means you're stealing art, right? So it's one of those things that definitely happens. But it's kind of like pirating movies and stuff. Yeah, it is pirating. You wouldn't download a car, chat. Very true. Now, there is a lot of 3D printing that happens, though, in this hobby. Also in, like, official painting competitions and stuff, because people make their own stuff. Like, they design their own bases, for example, or, like, they create additions to miniatures. And they 3D print those, and then mix those in. So it's a little bit of a complicated conversation to have. It's not so easy. Oh, you would download a car? Oh. You wouldn't download a Lowko TV hoodie. No, you wouldn't. You would just buy it over at lowko.shop. www.lowko.shop, right? You need to download more RAM first? Ah, okay. My sample should come in actually this week, I think, for the Christmas sweater. No, we're painting one of the knee pads black, not both. Maybe both. I haven't decided yet. Do I have baby apparel at Lowko.shop? No. No, that's actually not somebody anybody has actually requested before, but for some reason we've had a lot of thong requests. A lot of people apparently ask whether or not that's something we sell. No Lowko television themed underwear, chat, but oof, sorry, Draco. I'm gonna be going to the model show this week, though, in the Netherlands. How was the event? Was it good? You don't want to go to the Netherlands? Whoa, dude. Alrighty then. Jeez. What do you guys think about painting only one of the shoulder pads black? Okay, fine, I'll paint both black. Well, in my mind, it was like a replacement part. But I guess maybe all the black parts are like kind of like unpainted. I'm not exactly sure how. No, I guess these are just the Legion's colors. But it was a little bit too much green. I agree. What's going on, Rumpus? How does this part work? Okay. Some of the parts are kind of difficult to see. Nurgle models are OP for art competitions. It seems like there was a pretty nice split though at Golden Demon. For the people that got top 3. For each of the categories anyways. I wouldn't say that like one was more overrepresented, but maybe it was, I don't know. I don't like the airbrush, it was fun. No, I quite like it. I do enjoy brush painting though. I think just good old regular brush painting is really nice. But blocking in the colors like that and having some, you know, relatively easy transitions. I don't know how obvious it is to see on stream, but it's much lighter towards the top than it is towards the bottom. Like we tried to have some shadows. It looks a little bit like everything is a bit too green right now. But I think it looks nice. And it wasn't that hard, you know, like it was relatively easy. I could freaky, but I don't think I should, because I'm gonna fuck it up and I'm gonna get like... I do want to glaze like a different color of black in here too though, like maybe like a little bit of a darker, or well, can't go much darker than black, but maybe like a slight color tinge. Maybe we should go ahead and give that a try. I would like to do the base coats. Yeah, darker than black would be tough. No, I mean a little bit brighter, obviously. I want to try and do like a very subtle color shade shift if we can, but I don't know if that's possible. Mostly because right now it's very black. Or you can still make cool art when you're colorblind though, dude. Monet's lilies are very well known, right? And they're not particularly color accurate, although that's a bit of a sad story, I guess, but anyways. Okay, let's give this a try. Maybe it's wrong. So I want to do like a very light color shift over here from the black. Maybe we should just do some wet blending. I don't know how noticeable this is going to be, but... I'm a weep because he likes... What? Is that an anime? I do love anime, dude. Big fan. Does hentai count as anime? I'm just asking for a friend. Darker Than Black is an anime? Ah, okay. I did not know that. Does this work? It's kind of hard to see. It's very dark somehow. Nah, I think we'll just make this fully black. I don't really like that. We'll fix this with edge highlighting later. Okay, thank you, Mickey. Thank you. I wasn't actually being serious, but thank you for checking it out. It was a joke, but the more you know. Okay, I think the last thing I'm gonna go ahead and do today is seal the whole thing with a gloss varnish. I mostly want to do that because I want to add decals. I've never added decals before, but apparently if you want to seal something with a, like if you want to put decals on a mini, apparently it's a good idea to seal it first with varnish. So I was thinking just varnishing the whole fucking thing. And then when we have applied all of the, the decals, we'll do like an ultra matte. I want to do like a very, very matte looking color on this. So I'll just use the airbrush for that too. Dude, it turns out, so I signed up for a Battlegrounds tournament. It seemed like the Battleground tournament either has been moved or canceled. Because one of the players, or like I think like 3 of the players or so couldn't play. So they wanted to move it to another day, but then I couldn't do that other day, and then I don't know if it's not happening at all. I'm a little disappointed, but yeah. I would like to play some more though. I would like to definitely play some more Battlegrounds. I don't know if I will today, but... the problem with doing a gloss varnish, guys, is that it's gonna look extremely glossy. Yeah, it's gonna be very, very gloss. It's gonna get very shiny, yeah. I think so too, Kazijun. That's gotta be it. Now, I know there's a bunch of Korean pro gamers that signed up to play the tournament, but from what I understand, they all got invited to play in it, or to come to like somebody's birthday party or something. I think that's the reasoning. So, because the Korean pro gamers apparently have social lives, how fucking boring. I think they have to move the whole thing. No thanks. I need to get my, yeah, I'm gonna wear a glove again, because I don't think this is gonna be great. Unexpected birthday parties, dude. Was it my birthday party? Maybe. Maybe. Happy birthday, Lowko. It wasn't, but thank you. My birthday is in a couple weeks. Okay, so the idea behind the glossy varnish is that it's gonna help applying with the decals. It's just gonna make the miniature look extremely shiny. I don't want the shiny miniature. That's what she said? Anyways. It's not what we want. Okay. No, Rumpus. No, that is not how we do anything here, okay? I don't know what the Korean birthday parties are like, but I don't think that's what they're like. I've not really used this glossy varnish much, guys. I think this will be okay. It's gonna make it too shiny, I think, but... Absolutely, Rushy, I can't wait. Well, you know what, guys? The engines here on the back really still need a second coat. Well, that sucks. I guess I can varnish these things. Is it supposed to look like that? Something is wrong with the airbrush. Because it's bubbling and it shouldn't be bubbling. Are me and Rushy having a date tomorrow? Yeah. We're gonna play some StarCraft 2. It's gonna be very romantic. Yeah, Rushy is doing some shameless advertising in my chat. Can you believe it? Oh. Well then, that looked suspicious. It just did a little... Did you see that? I don't... okay, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. We just had a little bit of a... It did a little bit of a excited little dribble. A little bit of a splurt. You talk about playing 2v2 with Rushy, and this is what happens, chat. I can't, you know, it's embarrassing, but I can't help myself. A little bit of a premature varnish. Yeah. Okay, hold up. I need to paint the second coat real quick on these engines on the back. It happens to everybody, Lowko, don't worry. Thanks, guys. I swear to God, this normally never happens, chat, but... I think I didn't tighten up the front of the airbrush all the way. What time is it? Oh shit, time's going by real quick. Holy crap, what? How have I been live for this long? Oh, I've been live for nearly 3 hours? Jeez. Time goes by so quickly. It's okay, it's okay. Took me 3 hours to do that, yeah. There's a new standard heart napper. Sorry about that, dude. Yeah, we do need a nice solid color of this though, before we varnish it. You're getting yourself a cheesecake for your birthday? Yo. Nice. Happy early birthday, Boba. I found out half my family is on holiday when I have my birthday, guys. Do you think they did that on purpose? My parents are out of town apparently. Can you believe it? Yeah. Happy birthday, Lowko. I'll just cry myself to sleep. You guys aren't on holiday? That's true. That's true. I'll be streaming on my birthday. How about that? Also, prepare your low hots. Okay. What does that sound? It's Laurent's hair dryer. Miniature painting is all about stealing your girlfriend's supplies, chat. Q-tips. I have these funnel things. I have some Vaseline that I stole from her as well, that I use for my airbrush lubrication. I have some, I have her hair dryer. I've got some, what else do I have? I've got a bunch of stuff that I stole from her, yeah. Oh, the tweezers, obviously. Yeah. Airbrush lubrication, that's what I use it for. What do you mean, bro? What does a man need to do about, I just need a little bit of airbrush lubrication. No, the airbrush or the paint vibrator I bought myself. Okay, it looks like it's working now. Without it's like squirting all over the place. Okay. Don't need to do too much of this. It is gonna make it look really shiny though. Which isn't great, but... we'll have to fix that later. There we go. I think this will be okay. So I want to do some on the shoulder pads, like on these pads over here. Maybe a little bit, nah, I think I want to do only on the front over here, and then maybe on like one of the knee pads or something. I think that'll look okay. Maybe one of the shoulder pads as well on the front. Yeah, we'll do a little bit as well on this one. Dry brushing with makeup brushes is one of your biggest hobby evolutions. They're incredible. Are you trying to suggest I should steal Laurent's? Because I will. It'll change your life, Lowko. I don't think she's gonna appreciate it if I steal her makeup brushes, guys. Okay. Now, I have a couple of dedicated dry brushes that I like to use. They are pretty awesome. They are super cheap, Lowko, no reason to steal. Are you telling me there are cheap makeup brushes? Mate, I've seen some of the prices of makeup brushes. I'm sure there are cheap ones. But they're not all cheap. Just because, just because some of them are cheap does not mean all of them are. No, I get it, I get it. Okay, let's see. I need to run a little bit of cleaner through the airbrush. That will clean the regular brushes, and we'll do some stock crafting. How about that? $16 pieces for €9 seems cheap. Dude, I knew you guys were experts in many things. But I'll be honest with you, I didn't expect many of you to be experts when it comes to makeup brushes. What's going on, Matt? You missed the entire... Oh my god, dude, it was glorious. No, I fucked up a couple of times. I fucked up a couple of times, or I messed up a couple of times. But, it turned out pretty good. A little bit of back bubbling, and then the airbrush should be more than clean. Hey guys, do I put away a wet palette, or how do I put away after using a wet palette if I don't want to paint the next couple days? I like to let it air dry out. So it depends on what sort of wet palette you have. I have a wet palette that has like a cleanable piece of paper on top of it. So like this stuff right over here. So what I do when I clean this is I literally just rinse it under the tap. And when I don't plan on painting for a couple days, I let it fully dry. And then I can just add water to it again later. And it will be good to go. Main problem if you leave it wet and you close it up, it is like prime opportunity for mold to grow. And I don't know, having mold in your wet palette, you would smell it soon enough. It is not great. So if you don't plan on painting for a couple days, it's probably best to just let it dry all the way. Okay, let me see. So, I need to go ahead and clean my brushes, but this is the result of day one. It will look shiny. That's because of the varnish. And then we'll add decals and whatnot to it later. I don't really know how to add decals. I've watched videos on it, I suppose, but I want to add some over here. Maybe one as well to like one of the knee pads. So like some of them, probably one over here, one over there on the knee pads, and then also on like the front of the shoulder. So the shoulders are also very shiny. Obviously this is a Sons of Horus one. Aren't decals cheating? Everything's cheating, dude. So I don't know exactly which ones. Here's the little decal sheet. The cheat sheet? Right, we have a little cheat sheet right over here. That's what Hartnepper would call it. Hartnepper has very strict rules when it comes to miniature painting. So obviously we want to use the ones on the right. I'm thinking about maybe like a skull. I don't like the half moon. I'm thinking like a skull. There's like white skulls right over here. Do you even see those? Kind of hard to see. Anyways, white skulls over here on one of the shoulder pads, or one of the knee pads rather. And then I guess we'll do maybe another skull as well on one of the shoulders. I'm not sure yet. We'll think about it for a little bit. We don't have a lot of white ones, so we can't really add too many. Would it be weird to have 2 skulls on one guy? In that case, I would just do it, I guess, to the knee pad, but... Can I read those hieroglyphs? Absolutely. So I want to do probably like this, this number... What is it, 16? 16th Legion, I guess? Somewhere on one of the yeah, and then I guess maybe this eye over here on some of the green too. We'll see, man. We'll have a little bit of fun with it. Good progress though for day number 1.